Image Skincare Image MD Restoring Power. This review focuses on the Image Skincare Image MD Restoring Power product. With its powerful combination of ingredients and its ability to address various skin concerns, this product offers a range of benefits for all skin types. One of the key advantages of this product is the presence of ferulic acid, which acts as a defense against the damaging effects of environmental factors. By protecting the skin from these external stressors, it helps to maintain a healthy complexion. Additionally, the high hyaluronic acid complex within the formula ensures that the skin remains hydrated, promoting firmness, smoothness, and elasticity. Another notable ingredient in this product is acetylzingarone, derived from ginger. This super antioxidant works effectively to reduce visible signs of photoaging, such as wrinkles, pigmentation, and redness. By incorporating this ingredient, the product actively supports a more youthful and radiant appearance. Moreover,